Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you watch. This is my brother
Solomon. And also don't forget to watch this on my YouTube channel. You know, it's so much for life. Yeah, thank you.
So here we're going to solve Rubik's cubes. I will have a lot in my bag that I'm ready to present.
This is the Rubik's Cube Challenge, also known as the Rubik's Challenge. Solvex for Life, Lois TV, going against each other. Who has the speed? Sit back and relax. We will find out.
I cannot find the white yellow. White yellow.
Why do I keep looking at yours?
Oh,
I want to see your progress.
progress. I haven't done anything.
I know. Look, I made mistake. What I made mistake? I made mistake. Wait.
I can't find the white piece.
You know, everything doesn't help, right?
I know. I'll say it.
I'm already on my next stage, not for you.
Yeah? I'm really looking for white yellow. I can't find white yellow.
You're still on that first stage.
It's not really white yellow.
Is it yours?
There's not white yellow.
Why are you even looking for yellow?
White and yellow is
You're
here.
not such a white and yellow. I don't know what kind of you risk you over YouTube.
This is
What's for real? I don't know.
white. I'm not seeing white. Where's white yellow?
You're not such a white yellow. White and yellow on the opposite side.
White yellow is gone. No, did you play Rubik's Cube? I put it up. We'll go wait for
Solvex for Life couldn't find white yellow. And so now, Solvex for Life has given up. Oh well, let's see how this ends.
No white yellow. Well, guys, this Rubik's Cube is not finished in 1 hour time.
An eternity later.
You're gonna continue. Finally, I'm done. And we get the perfect.
Don't forget to like and smash that subscribe button. Bye.